Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix unresponsive touchscreen on your GoPro Mission 1 camera. So the first thing that you should do is try to reset your camera by holding down the mode button for about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, release the power button and wait until your camera restarts. Now check your touchscreen once again, and if it's still not working, turn off the camera. Then open the door on the right side. Remove the battery from your camera. Let both cool down for about 15 minutes, then reinsert your battery into the camera and then check your touchscreen once again. And if after this you're still experiencing any touchscreen issues on your camera, you have to update the software. We have two videos on how to do that. The first one is how to basically update the software using your phone application, which is the basic firmware update video, and we also have the second one, what to do in case firmware update failed on your camera, and there I explain how to install firmware update manually. After that your issue should be resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.